Umpire. Jump ball.
Jump ball.
O jersey number spin move. No good. Rebound by jersey
Hinay lang
number
ka mo, Diyos
14.
kumiyo. Hinay lang ay magkaladanlog ka mo, bombot ah. Kadanlog, dapat yung siligan.
Jersey number 6.
Oo.
Out of bounds.
Delikado, magkalapal.
Same ball.
Singilan.
Jersey number 12. Looking to pass. Pass to jersey number 13. To jersey number 2. Pull up jumper. Nagwa pa. Ball taken by 27. Pass break. Tamaan ka balon. Jersey number 13. Pass break man to jersey number 12. Nice pass. Follow up on the last 2 points. 2-0. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 14. Pass to jersey number 12. Now he's dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 6. Fake. Pass to jersey number 2. Attacking the basket of the glass. 2 points. 4-0. Foul. Foul committed by jersey number 14. That is your first personal foul. O basket first free throw. 1-4. Two out of 2. 2-4. Now jersey number 12. Dribbling the ball. Pass to the corner. Pull up jumper. No good. The rebound taken by jersey number. Out of bounds. Same ball. Jersey number 12 to jersey number 14. 10 to shoot. Spin move. Layup. No good. Out of bounds. Now jersey number 3. Pass to the corner. To jersey number 1. Harassed by jersey number 6. Play ball. Jersey number 12. Dribbling the ball. Steal. 3-point pass. No good. Rebound by 14. Pass to jersey number 12. Now jersey number 12 dribbling the ball. To jersey number 13. 10 to shoot. Third drop, no good. Out of bounds. Same ball. Reset shot clock to 14. Jersey number 2, Lapaw. Low post, Kabus. 10 to shoot. Off the glass, 2 points. 6-2. Jersey number 3, dribbling the ball. Kick out to jersey number 1, pull up jumper, no good. Out of bounds. Same ball. Seven minutes remaining time. Jersey number 3, 10 to shoot. Rebound by jersey number 14. Pass to jersey number 12. Now he's dribbling the ball. Jersey number 12. Fires, no good. Rebound out of bounds. Same ball. Reset shot clock to 14. Jersey number 14. Deflected. Iya mo Japon. Lapaw.
Uy.
Ila mo Japon. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 2, play ball. Elijah Bon out of bounds. Now jersey number 3, dribbling the ball. Jersey number 3, kick out. Foul. Foul committed by jersey number 6. That is your first personal foul. 6 minutes and 9. Oh, basket first free throw. 6-3. One out of 2. Now jersey number 12. Dribbling the ball. There's 6 minutes remaining time. Jersey number 12. 10 to shoot. Out of bounds. Turnover. Now jersey number 3 dribbling the ball. Out of bounds.
Patas. Patas.
Jersey number 14.
Uy.
No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 2. Foul jersey number 3. Oh, sunod, sub. Jersey number 3, that is your first personal foul. Jersey number 2, 3-point fire is no good. The rebound taken by jersey number 1. Now jersey number 1. Nice pass. Off the glass, 2 points. 5-6. Three points. Lapaw. Nabuyaan niya. Rebound taken by jersey number 14. Jersey number 12. Agaw. Jersey number 12. Dribbling the ball. Nice pass off the glass, 2 points. Jersey number 27, 3 points. No good.
Kabos.
Rebound by 14. Pass to 13. Jersey number 14 to jersey number 2.
Uy.
There's a whistle. Foul. Time out, sir. Sunod lang mo. Time out sila, time out. 3 minutes 56 remaining time. Score 11-5. Back Tars. O basket first free throw. Suwal 5.
Two out of 2.
13-5. Jersey number 3. Pass to the corner to jersey number 1. 3-point pass. No good. Rebound by jersey number 12. Now jersey number 12. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 18. 3-point pass. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 3. Now jersey number 3. Pass break. Nice pass. Off the glass. 2 points.
Sure ball.
7-13. Now jersey number 05, 214.
Uy.
Ball taken by jersey number 2. Pass to 18. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 3. Now he's dribbling the ball. Jersey number... Nice pass. Taway. 2 points. 9-13.
9-13 in favor of Bactals.
Jersey number 05 to jersey number 2. To the corner. 3-point pass. No good. Follow up by jersey number 05. No good. Another. Wala nga atras yan. O, sulot sab.
Nanong buli mo ay paghinay ka mo na.
2 minutes and 30. Jersey number 12. 3-point pass. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 1. Now jersey number 1. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 3. Back to jersey number 1. Nice pass off the last 2 points. O 2 points naman si jersey number 14 layup no good. 2 minutes remaining time. Out of bounds. Jersey number 19 to jersey number 0. Pull up jumper no good. Rebound by 14. Pass to jersey number 12. To jersey number 6, 05. Now he's dribbling the ball. Pass to 18. Jersey number 18 attacking the basket. Drop pass to 14. To jersey number 12. 10 to shoot. 3-point pass. No good. 2 points. 15-11. Now jersey number 3 dribbling the ball. Jersey number 3 attacking the basket. Drop. No good. Jersey number 14 attacking the basket. Go to coast. Nabuyan niya. O sa load sab. One minute and 8 remaining time. Go. 1 minute. Jersey number 12. Pass to 05. To jersey number 12, but there's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 3. That is your second personal foul. Jersey number 3. 50 seconds remaining time. 50. Jersey number 05 to 14. 10 to shoot. Kabos. Pass break. Nabuhian niya. Out of bounds. Turnover. 41 seconds. 41. Jersey number 05. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 14. Back to 05. Carrying the ball. 32 seconds. 32. 30 seconds. Agaw.
Still.
Pass break. Deflected out of bounds. Same ball. 28 seconds. 28. Jersey number 05. Pass to the corner. 20 seconds. Jersey number 12. Nice pass. Off the glass. Nagwa ba? 15. Jersey number 5. Pull up jumper. Kabos. Nuti ka na magkabos. 10 seconds. 10. Jesse Condos. Jess. Jersey number 14. 5. End of first quarter. Score 11-15.
11-15 in favor of Bactal. End of the first quarter. Back to the ball game. Back house.
O, second quarter.
Uy.
Now jersey number 13. Out of bounds. Jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 5. Pull up jumper, no good. Rebound by 14. Deflected. Ball taken by jersey number. Ano pa sa 14. Now jersey number 13. Dribbling the ball.
Ay.
Steal. Jersey number 0. Dribbling the ball. Laras by 13. Jersey number 77. 3-point pass. Duty ka na makabus.
Duty ka nang magkabos.
Now jersey number 13. Dribbling the ball. Pass to 14. Attacking the basket. Friendly bounce. 2 points. 17-11. Jersey number 5 to jersey number 0. Screen by 13. No good. Rebound by 18. Now jersey number 13 dribbling the ball. Pass to 05 to jersey number 14. Attacking the basket. There is always a foul committed by jersey number 77. That is your first personal foul. A basket first free throw. 18-11. A 2 out of 2. 19-11. Now jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pull up jumper. Wide open. Rebound by 05. Now jersey number 05. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 2 to jersey number 14. Jersey number 14 attacking the basket coast to coast. Layup kabus. Rebound taken by jersey number 13. Pass to 0. Now jersey number 0. Dribbling the ball. 2 points. For 13-19. Now jersey number 13 dribbling the ball. Pass to 18. Jersey number 18. Layup. 2 points. 21-13. Jersey number 18, first personal foul. Third drop, 2 points. Jersey number 13, Azure 5. Pass to 13. To jersey number 14, there's always a foul committed by jersey number 77. That is your second personal foul. Dua na foul mo, 77 sunod sa... Okay, kedua. Same ball, reset shot clock to 14. Jersey number 6, there is always a foul committed by jersey number 13. Sub, salute. 1 out of 2. 22. 15. Jersey number 13, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 2. Pull up jumper, no good. Follow up, no good. Jersey number 0. Back to jersey number 3. No good. Layup, no good. Five minutes, 51 remaining time. Score 24-15. Bactals. Jersey number 13, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 6. To jersey number 2, to jersey number 12. Fake. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3-point fire. Spam! 3 points. Jersey number 3. Harass by jersey number 6. Take out to jersey number 1. 3-point fires. Balos. Bang! Balos man. 18-27. Jersey number 13, dribbling the ball. 10 to shoot. Kasunod sa foul, jersey number 13, second personal foul. Jersey number 3 to jersey number 0 to 27. Jersey number 1 drop pass to 19. Follow up 2 points. 20-27. Jersey number 2 to jersey number 14. Kick out to jersey number 13. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 14 deflected. Steal. Now jersey number 3. Attack in the basket. Traveling violation. Sunod. Jersey number 13 dribbling the ball. Pull up jumper, no good. The rebound taken by jersey number 3. Now jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 0. Lapaw. Rebound by 19. Kabusman. Rebound by jersey number 13. May isang pasa kag na isang weak follow up. 29-20. Jersey number 3 to jersey number 27 to jersey number 0. Pull up jumper, 2 points. 22-29. Jersey number 13 dribbling the ball. Screen by jersey number 6. Nice pass. Isang play nila. Jersey number 1 dribbling the ball. 3 minutes remaining time. 3-point. Fires. Bang! 3 points. O, anong bansi? Jersey number 6. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Still. Now jersey number 3 to 27. Jersey number 27. Pass to jersey number 0. Full up jumper. 2 points. Jersey number 13. Dribbling the ball. Screen by jersey number 6. Nag-counted pa. Time out. First personal foul. Boss, 2 minutes and 4 remaining time. Score 27-33. One out of 2. 2 minutes remaining time. Tapos. Jersey number 3, nice pass. Taway-taway. Oh! 20 bounce, 2 points. O, tatlo na naman si. Now jersey number 13, dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 6, 3-point pass, no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 3. Now jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 1. To 0. To jersey number 1. Nice pass. Taway-taway. Nagwa pa. Jersey number 05. Pass to jersey number 12. Jersey number 13. Dribbling the ball. 1 minute. 3-point fires. No good. Out of bounds. 58 seconds remaining time. 58. Jersey number 0. Dribbling the ball. 50 seconds.
Tambok, tibok.
Jersey number 19. No good. Wow. Rebound by 14. 40 seconds. Jersey number 12. Pass to 13. Nice pass. 2 points. 30. Foul jersey number 05. That is your first personal foul. 26 seconds remaining time. 26.
Artista.
Jersey number 3. 20 seconds. Tapos. Jersey number 18. Nice pass. Nice bait. 2 points. 10. Foul committed by jersey number 12. That is your first personal foul. 5 seconds remaining time. 2 shots. 5 seconds. 5. O basket. First free throw. 31-37. 5 seconds. Two out of 2. 5 seconds. Jersey number 13.
End of the second quarter.
Magamay naman si 5 lang.
Joke na. Timing na matapos ang hampang di. Dito naman ko.
Kami ko mas game ka?
Jersey number 5.
Wala mo sinyas ko.
Go again. Jersey number 6. Coast to coast layup. 2 points.
Nami di mga highlights no mo.
Kapag highlight niya ka ba eh?
Damo highlights ko sa inyo. Kada isa-isa sa inyo.
10 to shoot.
Hampang ko.
Jersey number 1. 219. 5 to shoot.
Oo.
Rebound by 14.
Kasi nakasakit ang tres gabi. Grabe.
Now jersey number 6. Pass to 13. To jersey number 14. Not attacking the basket. Friendly bounce. 2 points.
Ang highlights nyo sa YouTube, sa Facebook, ara na post ko na pang sa YouTube, wala pa. Ang iba nga mga seconds lang, wala ko pa ma-post.
Jersey number 5. Pass to jersey number 18. Back to jersey 5 still. Now jersey number 13. Layup. 2
Third
points.
quarter, fourth quarter nga daan.
Pass to jersey number 1.
Dasig, magkita talaga, ano to?
3-point pass. No good.
Oo.
Ball taken by 0. 2
Nagpista na,
points.
yawan sa lusot.
34-43.
Si Renzo nagtambok mo. Si pang tres, gini siya yung kuha nga tira.
Now jersey number 13. Dribbling the ball. Pull up jumper. 2 points. Now jersey number 0. Dribbling the ball. Deflected. Coilo at pass to jersey number 3. 3-point pass.
Magpaparte ito ang kontra.
3 points.
Ano klase vlogger?
Sadya to lang, sadya to lang mo quarter.
Oo,
Now
sa fourth
jersey number
quarter,
13
grabe
to
ito
jersey number 6.
Ang boy tres.
Oo, dito kayo
Pass to
ano,
jersey
di naging luwa.
2. Kick out to jersey number 12. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 13. 3-point pass. Bang! Balos.
Halos. Pag kung wala ni Gabi nag-table to, ayawan, good makiramaan.
Jersey number
Ito,
3.
Gabi ang table kung wala
Pass
siya
to jersey
nakapulo.
number 0. Deflected. There's also a foul committed by jersey number 13. That is your first
Wala
personal foul.
Tapos ang nag-table Gabi, babae, pang hindi ko kabalo, ang balyaw.
Nung wala kang talong ano, nung raso mo sugod.
Gani, super late na to kagabi.
Jersey number 3. 2 points.
Ay, ang sultan 7.
Gani. Oo, pasado. Delay, sobra, mga isa ka oras na ng delay gabi.
Go, jersey number 19. Layup. 2 points. Ten to shoot. Sundot pa. Nice move. 50-41. Jersey number 0. There's a whistle. Foul committed. Jersey number 6. That is your third personal foul. Tatlo sa sunod-sunod.
Dua ka Rodriguez namin.
Tatlo ka na, jersey number 6. 41-50.
Oo, lagan. Oo, grabe energy.
Jersey number 3 to the corner. Back to jersey number 3.
Oo, pagkaon lang.
Go na naman. Pass break. Jersey number 12. Pick of the last 2
Hindi ka dali
points.
hapuon.
52-41.
Oo. Ay, ano git, hindi namin.
Now jersey number 0. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 19.
Oo.
Go na naman. Pass break. Jersey number 13.
Bang. Wala
Play
pa.
ball.
Kalmado si Ruto.
Jersey number 19. Pass to jersey number 3-0. Kabos. Pass break na naman. Jersey number 13. Layup. 2 points. 54-41.
Auto na galing 1 kag 0.
5 minutes and 30 remaining time. Now jersey number 3. Screen by jersey number 18. 2 points.
Still.
Jersey number 2, nice break. Sab, sunod. Sunod, Sab. Sunod, sir.
May galing kami mga senior, sila galing ang mga players.
Pass to
Galing.
jersey number 12. To jersey number 13. Pass to jersey number 2. No good. Rebound by jersey number 2. Abus. Ball taken by jersey number 3.
May
Pass
vlogger
break
na
to
nga
jersey
taga-tira
number
mo.
1. Jersey number 1.
taga
Nice
mo.
move. 2 points.
Upod ko mananay nga nagkakabro. Oo. Upod ko mananay nga nagkakabirid sa Dilion. Last year.
54-45. Out of bounds.
Galing kaya may nagkuha siya nga isang
Turnover.
vlogger. Mala para magkunay.
4 minutes 42.
Nagkabirid sa iban. Banga gina-request sila. Dasig nagkangatang iya nga channel.
Wala mo iya followers.
O nagdamo na doon.
Jersey
Tinigay na
number
siya.
27. Dribbling the ball. Pass to
Wala,
jersey number
ako
0.
Ako
To jersey
nilingaw-lingaw
number
lang
1.
niya.
To jersey number 3. 3
Malingaw
point
lang ko yung
fires.
ate.
No good. The rebound taken by jersey number 1. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by 0-5.
Hindi kasi di nga seryoso. Ganyan, no?
Now he's dribbling the ball. Pass to 13.
Oo, kayo sa magchismis ka.
Amanda Mascog.
Kita ka pa kontra.
Jersey number 0. Tatlo, 2. Whoop.
Bagay, hindi ka pa yata ang gasolina ko sobrang.
4 minutes remaining time. Jersey number 12.
Pakalabot kami sa Ingure.
Pass to 14. To jersey number 2. Nice pass off the glass. 2
Sa ina ka
points.
tinagyan ko lang nga yung barangay.
56-45.
Ako din, sila dito man ko. Sadya mo.
Kailangan di ko magkulangan
Dogpas kita sa ako.
Jersey number 0.
Masaya ako
Pass to
galing mahimo.
27. To
Wala
jersey
kita
number
siya
3.
mahimo sa
To
niya.
jersey. Oy, may lang. Hindi yung muda. O, sunod Sam.
Madanlong. Damo dahon tani. Yung sinigan ni Tani.
Pinay.
Kita mo nga daan. Oh, grabe karas daan. Delikado gid. Panaso na gid ang itsura mo pagtuhod mo. Ay, no.
Jersey number 12. Dribbling the ball. Pass to 18. Back to jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 3. 10 to shoot. Deflected steal. Pass
steal.
break. Jersey number 1. Pass to 3. Layup. 2 points. 47-56. Siyaman siya.
Bungguan si Gorgoro. Kabinsit mo, bro. Bungguan si Gorgoro. Lapaw la.
3 minutes remaining time. Jersey number 2. Follow up by 14. Napaw. Now jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 1. Pull up jumper. Kabus. Rebound by 14.
Uy, ayoko na.
Jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number 05. 10 to shoot. Deflected steal.
Still.
Pass break to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Layup.
Wala si
Nagwa pa.
Lapaw ka.
Wala ka na sa face.
Uy,
Kabus pa.
Busman. Hala, balos.
Jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 3.
Grabe ka.
Time out.
24 kang ano, pod mo. Hindi sila nga mag-uto ni grabe. ka flexible ng mga
49-56.
bata, ano. Back to the ball game.
Jersey number 12. Dribbling the ball. Pass to 05. Back to jersey number 12. 2 minutes remaining time. 3-point block.
Uy, kabos. Ay, ay, ay! Ay! Ay!
Jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 18. Nagwa pa. Foul. Committed by jersey number 14.
14. Dua gali ang 14, isang baktals ni.
Tapos sa mga Petro.
Isa pa, isa pa. Uy,
Why
wala.
gid, dua?
Di ba?
Jersey number 14. Pass to 12 to jersey number 05. There is a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 5. That is your first personal foul. Ten to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3-point fires. Kabus. Rebound taken by jersey number 1. Now jersey number 1 coast to coast at attacking the basket. Foul, go forward. Malawas. Foul jersey number 12. Jersey number 12, second personal foul. 1 minute and 11. 49-56.
49-56 in favor of
Kabus na
Bactal.
kabus.
49-56 dito. Sitak!
Isa lang. O anong bansi?
Anom. Oh.
Now jersey number 18, pass to jersey number 12, back to 18. Back to jersey number 12. 1 minute, 3-minute time. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 14. 20 bounce, 2 points. 50 seconds. Seconds. 10 to shoot, 3-point pass. No good. Follow up. 2 points. 30 seconds.
Still. Oy, 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 oy.
Jersey number 14. Foul. Basket count. Foul jersey number 18. That is your first personal foul. 60-52. 22 seconds remaining time. O 3-point play. Balik siya Siyam. 22 seconds. 22. 20 seconds.
Ay, still.
Go pa. Hold the glass. 2 points. 15.
Ay, susukubaan ako inalim.
5. Una Japon. Aray ko. Wala bawi ah. 63-52. Balik sa 11.
Full game.
11-11. Kaya ba na? On start of the fourth quarter. Good luck. 3-point fires. No good. Rebound taken by jersey number 14. Pass to jersey number 13. Jersey number 13 delaying the basket. Pass to jersey number 19. To jersey number 2. Layup, 2 points. Jersey number 0. 3 points. No good.
Uy.
Out of bounds. Sa mga baskog. Still, now jersey number 19. Pass to 0. To jersey number 3. 3-point pass. So no good. Rebound taken by jersey number 13. Jersey number 13. Delaying the basket. Pass to jersey number 2 na. May isang pasa of the glass. 2 points. 67-52. Balik sa 15. Now jersey number 0 to jersey number 3. Nice pass. 2 points. Jersey number 13. Dribbling the ball. Sige lang wala. Wag lang ko tayo to shoot. Out of bounds. 13 to shoot. Nice pass. Lapaw. Follow up by jersey number 2. 2 points. Jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 18. To jersey number 1. Pull up jumper. No good. Follow up by jersey number 3. No good. Rebound by jersey number 2. Pass to jersey number 6. Now is dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 13. To 19. 3 points. Tapos. Ball taken by jersey number 5. Pass break to jersey number 0. Attacking the basket. Foul committed by jersey number 6. That is your fourth personal foul. Apat ka na, jersey number 6.
Apat na.
A basket first free throw. 55-69. So out of 2. 56-59. Now jersey number 13, dribbling the ball. Screen by jersey number 2. Big. Sa mga taas, out of bounds. (56-59), last 7 minutes and 20. Jersey number 0. Pass to 17. 2 points, 58-69. Jersey number 13, dribbling the ball, delaying the basket. 3 points, no good. Follow up by jersey, foul. Foul jersey number 77. That is your second personal foul.
Ako now. Not counted. First free throw.
Foul, basket count. Foul jersey number 77. That is your fourth personal foul.
77.
Three-point play. 72-58. Jersey number 0. Jersey number 13. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 14. Side step. No good. Follow up by jersey. Time out. 74-58. Balik sa 18. Adi size.
Balik sa 16. 16-20 lead by Bactals.
In 18.
6 minutes na lang.
Jersey number 0. Dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3. Kick out to jersey number 77. No good. Rebound by jersey number 6. No good. Lang magapon. Tapos magapon.
Japon.
Last 6 minutes. Tama basko. Play ball. Foul jersey number 19. First personal foul.
Kana, may ginisiya mag-acting mo. Kana, may ginisiya pirmi mo.
May unlimited na.
Pull up jumper. 2 points.
Tangan.
Itlog lang, itlog.
Uyak na siya.
Halinda siya
Jersey
no,
number
kasi nga
13.
nanoy.
Dribbling the ball.
Hindi
Screen
ka
by
na,
jersey
kasi
number
nga
2.
naglabay-labay.
Pass to jersey number 14. Jelly layup. 2 points. Oh, pinay lang ah.
Kanon itlog pa. Ari po.
Nice pass. Last 5 minutes. Jersey number 13, pass to jersey number 2, lay out 2 points. Jersey number 3, sidestep, lay out 2 points.
Teka pang red si mo.
Jersey number 6. Jersey number 19, 3 points. At take lang ulit. Third drop. Wagid. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 3 points. Wagid. Jersey number 3. Pass break. To jersey number 0 of the glass. Wala pa na sulod. Jersey number 14. Pabalik sa D6. Jersey number 3. Last 4 minutes. 2 points. 66-80. Jersey number 13. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 13 attacking the basket, deflected, out of bounds. Sulit sab.
Ilan siya?
Ay!
Backcourt na backcourt.
Mapunggo ka, ulo niyo. Okay, Sa Senado?
Jersey number 77, 3 points. Kapus. Out of bounds. Last 3 minutes. 3-point pass. No good. Dua ka mo.
Ruben na, Ruben.
Foul. Basket count. Foul jersey number 0. First personal foul.
Basi ka bunggo ang ulong sa boda. Hindi na.
Hindi mo kumalga, Devin.
Jersey number 0. Dribbling the ball. Fake. Pass to jersey number 1. Pull up jumper. No good. Rebound by 18. Pass break to jersey number 13. Jersey number 13 attacking the basket.
Agawan
Play
ito
ball.
agawa.
Jersey number 5. Dribbling the ball. Jersey number 3. Sidestep drop. No good. Rebound by 18. Japon. Wala pa Japon. Aray ko. Eight seconds. 8 seconds. Sunod.
Gawin ba na?
Last 2 minutes.
Okay.
Dalang raw.
Why Japon? Di mo sulod.
Lobong ring.
Wala agad ya.
Last 1 minute and 50. Reset shot clock to 14. Jersey number 3. 3-point pass. No good. Jersey number 1. Why Japon na ray ko? Di mo sulod.
Oh, luksa.
Tara na. Dunk. 2 points. Kasunod sab-sab.
Venga, boy.
Ben, hindi pa ka laban na eh. Ngayon ka lang, Ben.
Oh, notice yun. So, na bilin.
1 minute.
Waigit.
Lakan, Ben, lakan.
Lagi na!
Tara, lusot. Agaw pa.
Agaw.
Last 1 minute. Why, Japon. Tara na. Jersey number 5. Back to back 2 points. 50. Waigit.
Ben,
Pwede sama. Sama ko no. Agaw na lang kayo. Wala pa Japon. Aray ko. Jersey number 19, dunk. Uy pa. 30 segundos. Agaw pa. Tara na, score na.
Nakuhaan ka dyan pag-legend mo. Kitang kita. End of the game, guys. Winner by Bactals.